If you are looking for the best miter saw for furniture making or precise cutting of baseboards, we have selected 3 of the best miter saws on the market for you. We will present them to you right now to help you make your decision and order the product that best meets your needs. Of course, you will each be able to find them at the best price in the description. Let's start with product number 1, the 1700-watt VONROC Miter Saw. This saw is a robust and precise tool, ideal for DIY enthusiasts who are keen on achieving quality work. With its 216mm blade and 40 teeth, this machine offers a clean and fast cut, essential for a flawless finish on your furniture. The presence of a built-in laser ensures increased precision, allowing you to follow your cutting line with great ease. Its 1700W motor is powerful enough to handle various materials, while the electric motor brake enhances safety by quickly stopping the blade as soon as the on-off button is released. Let's now recap its advantages as well as its disadvantages. Advantage number 1, the built-in laser improves visibility and cutting precision. Advantage number 2, the tool includes practical accessories such as table extensions and a workpiece clamp for optimal holding of the workpiece. Advantage number 3, the electric motor brake secures and ensures a quick stop of the blade, providing additional safety. Now let's move on to some disadvantages. Disadvantage number 1. The limitation of the blade size to 216 and may not be suitable for cutting very large pieces of wood. So to learn more about this VONROC Miter Saw and read the hundreds of customer reviews, click the link in the description and order it at the best price. Now let's move on to the second product in this top 3, the HMSPX Radial Miter Saw. This miter saw is a powerful 2000-watt tool designed for demanding DIYers who need precise and varied cuts. Its rotating table and 45-degree tilting blade allow for a wide variety of bevel cuts, while the built-in laser and movable table ensure precise and easy adjustments. Moreover, its die-cast aluminum chassis offers lightness and portability while maintaining the stability necessary for precise cuts. Let's now recap its advantages as well as its disadvantages. Advantage number 1, the powerful 2000-watt motor and the speed of 4800 revolutions per minute allow for working with different materials with remarkable ease. Advantage number 2 includes 2 saw blades for increased versatility in cuts. Advantage number 3, the die-cast aluminum design offers both portability and durability. Now let's move on to some disadvantages. Disadvantage 1, the compact dimensions may limit the size of pieces you can work with. So if you are convinced, click on the link in the description to order this miter saw from Scheppach at the best price and discover user reviews. Finally, let's conclude with the last product. It is not the least, it is the 2000-watt DOVAMAN Miter Saw. The 2000-watt DOVAMAN Radial Miter Saw is a high-performance machine that offers flexibility and precision. With cutting speeds of 3200 or 5000 revolutions per minute, this saw is perfect for working with a variety of materials, including wood, soft metal, and plastic. The integrated laser guide ensures precise cuts, while the various blades provided allow for great adaptability. Additionally, the extendable side panels increase your workspace and the dual control allows for comfortable and ambidextrous use. Now, let's move on to the advantages as well as the disadvantages. Advantage number 1, 2 rotation speeds for a cut suitable for different materials. Advantage number 2, 3 blades included for greater versatility in projects. Advantage number 3, the bevel angles and the adjustable rotating table allow for a wide variety of cuts. Now let's move on to the disadvantages. The number 1 disadvantage is that the complexity of the adjustments may require a learning curve for beginners. So to buy the VONROC Miter Saw at the best price and see the hundreds of customer reviews, visit the link in the description. In conclusion, these 3 miter saws each offer unique features suited to various cutting needs. Whether you prioritize precision, versatility, or power, make sure to choose the one that best fits your projects. Don't forget to click on the links in the description to make your choice at the best price, but also to benefit from the feedback of other users. Thank you for your attention, and I hope to see you very soon.